Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain about IUPAC nomenclature for bicyclic compounds. But before watching this video, I will strongly recommend you to watch my previous videos on IUPAC nomenclature. Link of those videos or playlist of those videos are given in the description, as well as it is given here in the I button. Now coming to the first rule.
This video is sponsored by Pharmacy India app. They provide online test series for competitive exams related to pharmacy like GPAT, Drugs Inspector, NIPER, previous year question papers, pharmacist and all. Download dedicated Pharmacy India app for complete details. Link is given in the description.
So as per this statement, cycloalkanes consisting of two rings only means it should contain two rings only, and having two or more atoms, it may have two or more atoms which will be common for those two rings are named by prefix bicyclo followed by the name of the alkane. So for better understanding this concept, let's take an example. So this is the example of a bicyclic compound, and here you can see that this ring contains 5 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and this ring also contains 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon atoms. And here this carbon and this carbon is known as bridgehead, and this particular carbon atom is known as one carbon bridge because this bridge contains only one carbon, and this complete bridge is known as two carbon bridge. So this is the basics for nomenclature of bicyclic compounds. Now coming to the second statement. So as per this second statement, in between bicyclo and the name of alkane, number of carbon atoms representing the bridge are written within the bracket, and here we have to leave the bridge head carbons. So what will be the name for this bicyclic structure? So first we will count the total number of carbons present in this bicyclic ring. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So root word will be hept, means it is a heptane, so it will be hept and the suffix will be n. Now coming to the prefix, so it is a bicyclic ring, so prefix will be bicyclo. Now coming to this statement, and according to this, in between bicyclo and the name of alkane which is heptane, number of carbon atoms representing the bridge. So here in this bridge, 3 type of carbon atoms are present. If we are seeing to this side, means from this is the bridge, so from this side 1 and 2 carbon atoms are present, so 2 carbon atoms are present. In the right side 1 and 2, again 2 carbon atoms are present, and in the bridge 1 carbon atom is present. So we have to write this number of carbon atoms in the bracket, and this will be in descending order. So we will write 2, then again 2, then 1. Now full name of this structure will be bicyclo in bracket 2,2,1 heptane. It will be bicyclo 2,2,1 heptane. Now let's take some other example. So what will be the name for this structure? So this structure contains total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 carbon atoms. So root word will be octane. So here root word will be oct and the suffix will be n. Now coming to the numbering. So here in the right side 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms are present. In the left side 1 and 2 carbon atoms are present, and in the bridge 1 carbon atom is present. So if we will do the numbering, then we can start from here also or from here also, because here no substitute is present. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now coming to the complete name or prefix. So first we will write bicyclo, because it is a bicyclic structure. Now coming to the numbering. So here 3 carbon atoms are present, here 2 carbon atoms are present, and here 1 carbon atoms are present. So we will write number of carbon atoms according to the descending order. So it will be 3, 2 and 1. So complete name will be bicyclo in bracket 3, 2, 1 octane. Now let's take the next example for better understanding this concept. What happens if number of carbon atoms in all sides will be same? So what will be the name for this bicyclic structure? So first we will count the number of carbon atoms. So it contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 carbon atoms are present. So again root word will be oct and the suffix will be n. Now coming to the prefix, so it contains 2 cyclic structures, so it will be bicyclo. Now we will count number of carbon atoms. So this is the bridge. So from this bridge, in the right side 1 and 2 carbon atoms are present. In the left side again 1 and 2 carbon atoms are present, and in the bridge 1 and 2 carbon atoms are present. So all are same. So here we will write bicyclo 2, 2, 2. Means we will start numbering from this end also or this end also. Means it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So complete name will be bicyclo 222 octane. Now coming to the next rule, what happens if any substituent is present? So as per this statement, we have to understand many things. First thing is that if substituent or substituents are present, then number of bridged ring system is starting at one bridge head and proceeding along the longest bridge to the other bridge head. Means we will start numbering from the longest bridge, then along the next longest bridge back to the first bridge head, and then shortest bridge is numbered at the end, like this. This is the perfect example. Here we are starting numbering from here because it is longest bridge. Then we are going through this bridge because it is second longest, and this is the shortest, so it is numbered 8th. Now there is one more condition, and according to that, first bridge head is selected on the basis of substituent getting lowest numbering. So for understanding this complete concept, let's take an example. So by using that example, I will completely explain this statement. So here I have taken same example, but difference is that here one substituent is present, which is CH3. Now coming to the nomenclature of this particular bicyclic ring. So just like this, it contains 8 carbon atoms in the bicyclic structure. So here root word will be oct and the suffix will be n. Now coming to the number of carbon atoms in the bridge. So this side 3 carbon atoms are present. In the left side 2 carbon atoms are present, and in the bridge 1 carbon atom is present. Now coming to the numbering, so we can start numbering from either from this carbon atom or from this carbon atom. If we will start from this carbon atom, then it will be 1 2 3 4. In fourth position we are getting methyl group. Numbering is just like this. But if we are starting from this carbon atom, then it will be 1 and 2. So in second position we are getting methyl group, and as per this statement, first bridge head is selected on the basis of substituent getting lowest numbering. So here we will start numbering from this carbon atom, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. But in this example we can start numbering either from this or from this, both will be same. But here we will start numbering from this carbon atom, because from this carbon atom methyl group is getting second number. Now coming to the prefix, so in prefix we will write 2-methyl. Now coming to the bicyclic structure, so for bicyclic we have to write prefix, that is bicyclo. Now coming to the number of carbon atoms present, so 3 2 1. So in bracket we have to write 3 2 and 1, and the complete name will be 2-methyl bicyclo 3,2,1 octane. So this example satisfy all these conditions. Now let's take one more example. So this is the example of a bicyclic structure. So first we will count the total number of carbon atoms. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 carbon atoms are present. So root word will be known and the suffix will be n. Now coming to the number of carbon atoms present in the different sides of the chain. So this one and this one is the bridge head. So in the left side 1 2 3 and 4 carbons are present, and in the right side 1 2 and 3 carbons are present. So we will start numbering from this side, because here longest chain is present, and we can start either from this carbon atom or from this carbon atom. So if we are starting from this carbon atom, then 1 2 3 4 and 5th, in 5th position we are getting chlorine. And if we are starting from this carbon atom, then 1 2 in second position we are getting chlorine. So as per this statement, first bridge head is selected on the basis of substituent getting lowest numbering. So we will select this bridge head as first number, then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth and 9th. In this bridge no carbon atom is present. Now we will write the prefixes. So here it is a methyl group, means starting from M. This is a bromo group, means starting from B, and this is a chloro group, means it is starting from C. So first we will write this bromo group, because alphabetically it will come first. So first we will write 7 bromo. Now we will write chloro, which is 2 chloro. Now we will write methyl, which is 8 methyl. Now we will write bicyclo, because it is a bicyclic system, bicyclo. Now we will write number of carbon atoms. So here it will be 4, it will be 3, and in bridge there is no carbon atom, so it will be 0. So complete name will be 7 bromo 2 chloro 8 methyl bicyclo 430 nonane. So this is the complete details about nomenclature of bicyclic compounds. Now in my next video I will discuss the details about spiro compounds. Thank you.